Creating the best fashion videos is not just about knowing what's in style and the newest trends, you also need to know video, and that's often overwhelming. We've gathered a list of 10 of our best fashion video templates for Premiere Pro for 2020 to give you a head start on creating your content. All items featured are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Number 10. Titles and Lower Thirds. Autoresizing Typo in Motion by Snowcake. If your fashion video needs some titles or lower thirds, give these a try. There are over 20 animated titles, each with 5 different types of animation. The box is automatically resized, and the color scheme can easily be adjusted to fit your brand. Number 9. Particle Burst Logo Reveal Premiere Pro by Miseld. Add some sparkle to your fashion video with the Particle Burst Logo Reveal. Perfect for revealing your brand in style, either at the beginning or the end of your project. The lights and sparkles add glamour to the template and take you straight to a fashion show. Number 8. Dynamic Slideshow by NobleMetal. Dynamic Slideshow is fun and energetic with an urban feel. This will suit projects that demand a fast-paced vibe, with 24 media placeholders and 41 text placeholders. Use it for lifestyle videos, fashion events, or a product launch. Number 7. Broadcast Hand Package Essential Graphics by Premiumilk. If you have a regular, fashion-based broadcast, give this package a try. It makes use of a hand to place things like IDs or bumpers in a different way to introduce your show or the segments within it. The color ramp combined with bright colors will make your content pop out of the screen. Number 6. Slideshow Fashionable Promo by King Solomon. This template has bright colors and geometric shapes, resulting in something modern and eye-catching. The looped background and film scratch overlays add movement and give it a grunge feel. The versatility of this template means it's going to be a good fit for most fashion projects. If you're enjoying this countdown, be sure to give us a like so we can keep creating these roundups to help you find the items you need. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest content. Number 5. Fashion Promo for Premiere Pro by Pixamins. Making use of a cool, block-style transition, Fashion Promo is a great choice for an opener, slideshow, or promotional tool. It is a complete broadcast solution for a fashion channel, including logo reveals, transitions, lower thirds, credits, and more. Number 4. Modern Fashion Promo by efline. This template uses mattes and transitions in groups of 3 to add a fresh new look to your content. Photo effects and a black and white aesthetic keep the design fresh and modern. The file comes with 20 placeholders that can be used either with photographs or video content. Number 3. Fashion Shop by George FX. Fashion Shop is a great addition to the fashion monger's arsenal. This template has everything you need to sell your products. Photo placeholders, sizes, colors, price, and product code. Use it as a demo for your online store and prepare to wow your audiences. Number 2. The Fashion by Joe Production. With 21 media placeholders, The Fashion has plenty of scope for both large and small videos. The modular geometric transitions work great for fashion or lifestyle footage. The subtle light leaks and visual accents complete the look of this template and make it one of our favorites. Number 1. Fashion Opener for Premiere Pro by Black Matrix. Fashion Opener for Premiere Pro is fast-moving, modern, and packed with style. Big, bold text paired with easily customizable duotone color corrections make your content pop out. A highly versatile template, it works well as an opener, promo, or slideshow. That's it! The 10 best fashion video templates for Premiere Pro. Which template was your favorite? Leave us a comment below to let us know. And don't forget to give us a like if you found our content useful. While you're there, you can also subscribe to our channel for more helpful roundups. Want to see more from Envato? Click on the thumbnail on the right of your screen now.